Hello, animal lovers. Welcome to a brand new adventure, all about sheep. Have you ever watched a fluffy sheep munching on grass and wondered? What do they eat? How do they talk? Why do farmers shear their wool? Well, today, we're going to answer all those questions and more.
That's right. Over the next hour, we'll explore the many different breeds of sheep around the world, how sheep behave and communicate with each other, a day in the life of a sheep on the farm, the amazing process of wool making, and some super cool sheep facts that will surprise you. So, put on your imaginary farmer's hat, and let's dive into the woolly world of sheep.
Did you know there are over 1,000 different sheep breeds in the world? Some are big, some are small, some have curly horns, and some are extra fluffy. Let's meet a few of them.
Number 1 is Merino sheep.
Meet the merino sheep, famous for its super soft wool. This wool is so cozy, it's used in sweaters, blankets, and even socks.
Number 2 is Suffolk sheep.
This is a Suffolk sheep. Notice its black face and strong body? Farmers love them because they grow big and healthy.
Number 3 is Jacob sheep.
Wow! This Jacob sheep has cool spots and sometimes even 4 horns. They're one of the oldest sheep breeds in the world.
Number 4 is Scottish blackface.
These tough Scottish blackface sheep can live in windy, rainy mountains. Their wool is great for making carpets.
Number 5 is Dorset sheep.
Dorset sheep are special because they can have lambs any time of year, not just in spring. Sheep are very social animals. They love being in groups called flocks. But how do they talk to each other? Let's find out. Lambs calling for their mothers. Lambs recognize their mom's unique baa, just like you know your parents' voice. Sheep don't just use sounds, they also use body language. Ears forward? They're curious. Ears back? They might be scared. Sheep stick together for safety. That's why farmers use sheepdogs to help guide them. Ever wondered what a sheep does all day? Let's follow a flock on a real farm. Sheep spend 6 to 8 hours a day grazing. They love fresh grass, hay, and sometimes even grains. After eating, sheep chew cud. That means they bring food back up to chew it again. This helps them digest better. Farmers shear wool once a year. It doesn't hurt the sheep. They also trim hooves and check for sickness. Wool is magical. It keeps sheep warm in winter and cool in summer. But how does it turn into sweaters? General sheep facts. 1. Sheep have excellent memories. They can remember up to 50 different sheep and human faces for years. 2. Rectangular pupils. Sheep have horizontal, rectangular pupils that give them almost 360-degree vision to spot predators. 3. No top front teeth. Instead, they have a hard upper gum to help them tear grass. 4. Sheep are emotional. They can feel stress, happiness, and even loneliness, which is why they stay in flocks. 5. Fast learners. Studies show sheep can solve puzzles, like opening gates, faster than some primates. Sheep farming behavior. 6. Grazing machines. A single sheep eats 2 to 4 pounds of grass/hay per day. 7. Natural lawnmowers. Farmers sometimes use sheep to clear overgrown fields instead of machines. 8. Sheep follow a leader. Flocks naturally follow a dominant ewe, female sheep, not a ram, male. 9. Ba has accents. Sheep in different regions have slightly different bleating accents. 10. Sheepdogs save energy. A good herding dog can do the work of 3 to 4 human shepherds. Wool shearing facts. 11. Wool never stops growing. If not sheared, a sheep's fleece will keep growing like human hair. Record, 89 pounds of wool on one sheep. 12. Wool is fire resistant. It doesn't catch fire easily, making it great for firefighter uniforms. 13. Lanolin magic. Sheep's wool contains lanolin, a natural oil used in lotions and cosmetics. 14. 1 sweater per sheep. One sheep's yearly wool can make about 10 balls of yarn, or 1 to 2 sweat. Sheep farming agriculture, 16. Sheep manure is gold. Their droppings make excellent natural fertilizer for crops. 17. Dual-purpose breeds. Some sheep, like Dorset, are raised for both meat and wool. 18. Sheep help vineyards. Some wineries use sheep to graze weeds between grapevines. 19. Sheep count better than you think. Contrary to myths, sheep can count up to 4 or 5 in small groups. 20. Sheep are eco-friendly. They produce less methane. Fun weird sheep facts. 21. Sheep self-medicate. When sick, they eat certain plants to help with digestion. 22. Sheep recognize smiles. Wow, we learned so much today. Sheep are fluffy, friendly, and fascinating. Next time you see one, you'll be a sheep expert.
Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember. BAYE for now.